Hello dear friends. On this video I want to show you how to reset your setting on Windows 10. First you need to open Settings. Then search Reset. Click on Reset this PC. From here you can reset your PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help you. Click on Get Started. You have two options. The first one will keep your file and the second will remove everything and your PC will get fresh. I choose the first option because I need my files. The process will start shortly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video if it was helpful and subscribe the channel may you need it later.